Now, my hand is breaking. This one's made up. Perfect, good as new. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try to spin this. I need a long quarter-ring extension.
Oh wait, I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna follow the other one. Wait, wait, wait. Only on the first one. Do it faster.
I need the marker. This is piston number. Oh, these are JE pistons and many rods. Okay, so this is piston number what? 2.
Thank you for the tire diving.
See, bro.
I'll not stretch or miss the wheels.
Got wrong time.
I promise.
A little bit of score, but not bad. A little too tight, but not too much. I guess I can split it right now and then take off the other 2. Rubber mount. Whoa, baby. Oh, that's not good. Any other cardboard? Good. Ooh, see ya. See ya. Oh my. Incredibly, the freaking crankshaft is repairable. Bro, I don't know what the hell is crankshaft, but they are always a pleasure. That's not for more than a week. No. Ouch. It got so hot that
It melted.
it melted and it fuses to the rod. That's pretty crazy.
So what's the verdict?
Yeah, new crankshaft and rods, tuning rods. The crank is repairable, but the cost of repairing this versus the cost of it, plus I already have one, not worth the effort. I think I just put a new set of bearings with rods. Honestly, tuning rods is all I need, and clean everything, replace the parts that are not reusable because of the metal shaving, and call it a day. Put it back together.
Alrighty. All in a day's work.
Huh?
All in a day's work.
Yeah. Heck yeah. It got really hot. But the bearing did the job and protected the block, so that's good. Some good old main bearings.
And then it's on the road.
Huh?
And then it's on the road.
And then it's on the road. Let's do it. Not bleeding.